Own content he is as well. When I say you're not in our videos, but at work I should say, kind of just check out roads and streets and see the amount of snow and see fields. Longer than 10 minutes you're going to get, you know, I know I'm not bitching about city workers plowing. They have a lot on their city worker. Hello, there is people that have people to be out there. You seen that sidewalk plow the other day? I told Tipsy that sidewalk plow was, and do another video going back through town maybe. To really see this one, well they do, but I decided I fit to my the middle near the end of the video, you know. Oh, here we go again, another wipeout. Yeah, it's really, as you guys can see, the snow depth, it's kind of hard. Doesn't matter what you have for an e-bike, you're going to get about 10 feet before you blow a hall sensor. Members is getting a little carried away with videos. And I've been posting a video a day or 2 videos a day for you guys. 2, sometimes 3 times a day on that channel.